Alright, let's look at, we're in B minor. We're going over natural minor scales. We're at Aeolian scale with my system L-Mali DP, Lydian, Mixolydian, Aeolian, Locrian, Ionian, Dorian, Phrygian, in that subsequent order. We're going to resolve melodically at the end of these diatonic scales. You know, or we're soloing all over the fretboard. So when I talk about a master key, here's our chord progression. That first power chord, we've got a perfect fifth power chord. So we got this certain chord progression going on there, right? B minor is our master key. Using natural minor scales, we can throw in raised sevenths in there if we want. You can put them in there if you want. So yeah, so I showed you guys. We got all the scales starting with Aeolian, going down subsequently with our L-Mali DP system, Lydian, Mixolydian, Aeolian. See, we're on Aeolian, right? Then we go to Locrian. Okay. And then of course you have you got Aeolian, Locrian, Ionian. I showed you guys in that last video. We have Mixolydian here. The first, second, third, fourth, fifth fret. I identify, when you learn all these diatonic scales, find the triads. These are natural triads. See, this is within the Mixolydian. There's one right there. For example, Aeolian. There's one right there. We've got the E minor flashing arpeggio there. We've got the B minor here. And so above that we've got Lydian. See, I found the triad within that one. We're going to resolve on a B. I'll catch you guys on the next one. We're going to look at other triads. We're going to look at diminished. You know, learn all these diatonic scales, and then again, target your triads so you know where those are at within those diatonic scales. So we got a lot more to cover. Be sure to subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.